So in this video, I'm going to talk about breakout rooms. The breakout rooms button is going to be at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see this button, it's because in your settings, you haven't enabled the breakout rooms, and that's something that you can do through advanced settings. Once you've enabled this setting, you're going to see this button automatically at the bottom of your screen. So go ahead and click that. We can assign one participant to three different, right now I have it set up so that you can assign one participant into one room, automatically, manually, one participant per room. There's just some numbers here going on. Basically, there's only one of me in this meeting, so there's only one person to assign. When you have 10 people, it'll say assign 10 participants to a certain number of rooms automatically or manually. If you click automatically, the computer will automatically do it. If you click manually, you can assign people to certain breakout rooms. If I click 2 rooms, it's going to tell me how many people are allowed per room. Again, this example just showcases the fact that there's only one other person in this call with me, and it's myself. All right, I'm going to create the rooms. When I create the rooms, now I have the option to rename them. And I also have the option to assign right here. And I can assign myself to this room. Once you've assigned people, they're going to show up beneath the name of the group. And right now I can see there's one person assigned, and actually in breakout room 2, there's no people assigned. I can also move people to certain other breakout rooms. Once I do that, there's some options at the bottom that allow me to recreate rooms. They give me some more options where I move everyone into breakout rooms automatically. They'll close after 30 minutes. I can set a countdown. I can even add a room while assigning people. And I can also open all rooms. So when I open the room, then people will be getting an invitation to join, and basically that box says join or later, and if they click join, then it goes into the room that you've created. So I'm just going to go ahead, once you've opened the rooms, it actually allows you to broadcast a message to all of the meeting rooms. So if you want to say like 10 more minutes, or something like that, then everyone who's in these different rooms will be getting that message from you, and they know it's from the teacher because it'll have your name next to it. I'm also going to go ahead and close all these rooms. And now all participants have been given 60 seconds to leave their breakout rooms and then come back. So they automatically close out after 60 seconds. And then they can jump back into this main room, which is great. If I were to, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete these rooms, go back to the clicking breakout rooms, and click automatically instead of manually. Now, I've automatically been assigned to a breakout room. So you can have the computer just automatically assign people. But it is helpful to know how to manually do it in case you want certain people to work with certain people. All right, I think that's all you need to know for breakout rooms.